Subukan natin ang Ladies' Choice sandwich spread.
I want this one.
At saka Coco Jam.
I want this one.
Okay, we'll try it. Okay?
This one.
Alright, this is your plate. Yun ang bread mo. And ito ang ating... Okay, let's try. Okay, ito muna ang Ladies' Choice. Ben, dito muna.
For Ben.
Hold on.
This is my jam.
Okay, this is good.
I had this before.
Oh, you had this before. Okay, I think
I had this before at the Philippines.
At the Philippines?
I had this
In the
before
Philippines?
In the Philippines.
Really?
I
Okay.
had that. I had that.
You had which one? This one?
This one.
Which one? What is
That
that? What does it
one.
say? What does it say? No, right here in front.
It's cocoa jam. Oh,
Coco Jam. Okay.
I'm trying to open.
I'll open it.
This
Oh yeah,
one
Benjamin is trying
in the
Ladies' Choice.
bread. In the bread.
Saglit naman, kuya.
In this one.
This camera keeps on slipping. Masarap, Ben? Ladies' Choice? Do you like it? Ben. Sabi. So, ito ang ating Coco Jam. Naka na
And the other bread.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Ang camera ko hindi i-slide. Okay. And tell me if it's good. Lola Dory. Paborito niya ni Lola Dory. Ng Lola. Say, Lola Dory, hi!
Oh, it's good.
It's good, see? You don't want to try it, but it's good. You want this one, Ben?
And it's so good. And masarap. It tastes like a strawberry.
Strawberry.
And you see this. I got this.
Try mo ito ba?
Yeah.
Masarap, Ben? Alin? Ang masarap? Coco Jam? Which one is your favorite? Coco Jam or what is this? Ladies' Choice.
Cocoa jam.
Coco Jam. Bakit? Why do you like it? Bakit?
Ben, what's your favorite? Actual cocoa jam.
Is that good, Ben?
Cocoa jam.
Coco Jam is your favorite. Okay.
There's a grape and a cheese. And a bread. Grape and cheese. He likes this one. He likes this one.
Yeah, he likes the mayonnaise.
I like this with a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay.
Phoebe.
Okay, mayonnaise, Ben. Mayonnaise. Wow, he likes mayonnaise. Ladies' Choice. He likes Ladies' Choice. Do you wanna try the Coco Jam? Gusto mong, ano yun yung Coco Jam? Yung isa, Ben? Yung isang sandwich?
This is in look,
Ano?
look guys. Look guys, look.
Wow, Coco Jam. Try mo nga, Coco Jam.
Look inside.
Try mo na, Bansoy.
Look inside the cup.
Upo kayo, maupo. Ay siya. Maupo tayo.
And there's Ladies' Choice. This.
Maupo.
Maybe this is my favorite. Cocoa jam.
Benjamin is going for mayonnaise. I keep saying mayonnaise. Ladies' Choice. Is it good? Okay. Masarap, Ben? Masarap? Masarap. Try mo yung Coco Jam.
Mess it up.
Masarap. Oh, good. Gusto mo pa? Kagat pa ikaw. Kain.
No.
Mayonnaise talaga. Ladies' Choice.
about this?
Ah,
I
he likes
like
Lady's
this.
Choice.
I like this one and this one. I tried this before at the Philippines.
I know, you remember? He remembers when we went home, when we went to the Philippines, because my mom and dad, this is their favorite spread. Basically, this is all they use. Parang ito lang yung ginagamit nilang pang spread sa tinapay. Natandaan niya, he was, 22 months. Wala pang 2 years old si Miguel na. Ah,
It's a cocoa jam.
Cocoa jam talaga. So, Benjamin likes the... Oh, pareho yan.
He likes the Lady's Choice.
Yeah, and the cocoa jam. What's left
I like both of
is...
them.
You like both of them?
The cocoa jam busted out. Look, the sprinkle.
A what?
The bicycle. Bicycle. This one? Yeah. Oh. Bicycle. Where's the bicycle? This one? Bicycle. This one? Bicycle. This one? The box? Which one is bicycle? This one. Bicycle. This one? Bicycle. This one? Okay, what about the cookie challenge?
The cookie challenge.
We have big, big, big. This one?
I can... Okay, so, first time nilang titikman itong ating snacks. What is that, Kuya? Ano mo na yan? Anong tawag?
This is a pop cookie.
Okay.
And magic melt.
Okay. How about this? Anong sa Tagalog? Ano yan? Ito.
Otap.
Otap. What is that, Ben? Otap. Otak. Otak! Hindi otak.
The king of the cha. It's my favorite. The king was...
Okay. Alright, ito na.
This is the king.
Dali. So, nandiyan ang ating bowl. Ako na muna yung chocolate. Have you tried this before, Kuya?
Yeah.
You did?
This is the chocolate.
Oh.
The king. I tried that at the Philippines.
In the Philippines? Ah. You remember when you were... I don't think you had that before, but maybe we did. At yung otap, akala ko hindi pa.
The Otap is in the Philippines.
Okay, Ben. Upo ikaw doon.
The store where you got that.
Where do you think we got that? At the Asian market.
Asian market.
Okay, so I'm opening the otap. Anong tawag dito, Ben?
It's regular.
Anong tawag dito?
Yeah.
Anong tawag? O.
Oh.
Otap. Okay, one for you. O, Kuya. You have to tell me if it's good or masarap or di masarap, okay? Dito.
Maybe it's the opposite. Wow, look at this. There's two of them. It's like a little hole.
Okay.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
What?
It's so masarap.
Masarap? Okay.
Masarap.
Okay.
I'll try another one. Oh, there's two of them. Two.
Crunchy, huh? Crunchy. Wow. Okay. Wow, nagustuhan nila. Mukhang successful. Masarap naman talaga tong napili ko. Naghanap ako ng durian na candy. Wala akong makita. Papatry ko sa kanila. Wala akong makita. Masarap, ha?
It's a cookie.
It's a cookie. It's puff cookie.
Look,
Crunchy.
there's two of them.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Try it. Oh, it's not done yet.
No. Sarap talaga to.
You had that before at the Philippines, Ben? Yeah. Oh, he said yeah.
I don't know. When we went to the Philippines, Benjamin is still in mommy's tummy. Masarap ang otap. Hindi otak ha, otap. Wow, gustuhan nila. Okay. Okay. So, next is ang ating dried mangoes. Ito, pwede ko siguro kainin ito. Okay.
Oh, he dumped it.
That's okay. Alright. So,
Can
try
I have
natin. Yeah. Oh. Ano to? Mango strings. It's candied mango. Let's see how we like it.
Oh, that's spicy.
Huh?
It's super like I don't know what it is. No. This is a correct.
What, Ben?
Correct. It's a gummy worm.
It tastes like a guava.
Gummy worm.
Too spicy?
Try it.
Oh, kasi ano, pickled pala yung nakuha ko. You like it? Masarap, Ben? Or hindi masarap?
No.
Hindi masarap?
No.
Sabi mo, hindi masarap.
Almost enough.
Sa'yo masarap. Kasi pala ang nakuha ko is
I'll
ano,
try
pickled mango. Kasi din.
Give me the package.
So, next is our chocolate. Okay.
Oh,
Try one first.
what's that? Oh,
I don't think you had that before.
I
I
had
rarely
that.
buy Filipino food.
It's
Kasi mga
by
kibis kasi mahal talaga.
peanut milk chocolate.
Mhm.
Can I have two?
Of course. Try mo muna.
Those
Subukan
are
mo na.
boxes. Those are boxes.
Please.
Those
Please.
are boxes. Please. Can I have four?
No, you have to eat it first. Sarap nito.
Open. It's like little boxes.
I know. It's like little boxes. Ganito yung
What's
itsura.
inside the little boxes?
Chocolate. Parang nag-iba yung itsura. Gumanda yung ano nila, packaging.
Oh, this is. There's a surprise. There's a surprise in there.
Mika, have you had that before?
Yeah. Right. Oh.
Are you sure?
Let's taste it. Mmm.
Wow, hindi pa nagbabago yung taste. Sarap.
Back that up. I'll lick it.
What?
I'm not. We're not.
Like this? What?
Please. Please. Packets.
I'll give you more.
Half. You eat the chocolate and. Oh, there's a package.
Sarap. Oh my God, Ben, kita mo yan? Hindi mo
One
inubos.
fell off.
Saan natin lagyan? Trash. Saan?
I take out to the trash.
Ano ang trash? Ba?
Ba.
So,
So.
ra.
Ra.
What? Basurahan. Upo.
Basurahan. Let's eat this other package. Other package?
Okay,
There's a surprise. Ta-da! It's a chocolate bar.
It's a peanut butter bar.
One. Maybe it's safe. One packet. One packet.
Ang sabi.
My daddy loves this. Packet.
Gusto siyang for dad.
Packet. Three.
Welcome.
I'll put this to the trash.
Ito pa, kuya.
Open a
Kuya,
packet.
kabasurahan. Oh, wow. This is so good. Ang ganda na ng packaging niya, ah. Nag-improve, ah.
I'll take that out to the garbage. Oh. Oh, whoa. I put those to the trash.
Thank you, kuya.
I'll put some sprinkles.
Okay.
Oh, I did it. I'll put this to the trash.
Good job.
We're gonna eat the Filipino snack we got. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Man, eat this first. This is from the packaging. Hey, subscribe. Click Mommy's video. You want to watch more videos? Click in Mommy's video. You want to watch Mommy's video? See you later. Bye-bye.
How about you, Ben? Good job, kuya.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.